Welcome to our channel. If you accidentally deleted photos on your Android device and want to recover them before they're permanently lost, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Google Photos app on your Android device. This is the primary photo management app that includes automatic backup and recovery features. Step 2. Tap on the library icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access additional menu options. Step 3. From the library menu, select Trash or Bin, where deleted photos are temporarily stored for 60 days before permanent deletion. Step 4. Browse through the deleted photos to locate the specific images you want to recover. Use the scroll function or search if you have many deleted items. Step 5. Tap on a photo to open it in full view or press and hold to select multiple photos simultaneously for batch recovery. Step 6. After selecting the photos you want to restore, look for the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 7. Tap Restore from the menu options. The selected photos will be moved back to your main photo library and restored to their original dates and albums. Step 8. Navigate back to your Photos tab to verify that the restored images are now back in your library. If the photos don't appear in Google Photos Trash, check your device's Gallery app or File Manager for a recently deleted folder. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.